are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
In the midst of academic hustle and social whirl, four young women, 5 moments of quiet contemplation amidst the familiar confines of their school campus. Bound by friendship and shared sense of curiosity, they seek to uncover the secrets of the universe hidden within the everyday.
Sometimes, when I'm buried in textbooks and deadlines, I forget to stop and appreciate the beauty around me.
But when you look closely, there's so much wonder in the smallest of things, like the intricate patterns on the slate.
And in the dance of cherry blossoms, I see the fleeting beauty of life, reminding us to cherish each and every moment.
Yet amidst the beauty, there is also urgency. Our planet is in crisis, and it's up to us to take action and make a difference.
As they part ways, each carrying with them newfound insights and inspiration, they are reminded of the transformative power of reflection in the most unexpected of places.
In the hustle and bustle of school life, it is easy to lose sight of what truly matters.
But if we take a moment to pause, to look around and really see, we might just discover something extraordinary right in front of us.
And in that moment of insight, we find the seeds of change blossoming within us and spreading out into the world.
For in the quiet of corners of our campus, amidst the chatter of students and the rustle of leaves, we uncover the wisdom of the ages, waiting to be discovered by those with open hearts and curious minds.
For in the blossoms of insight, amidst the ebb and flow of college life, they find the beauty of their own existence reflected back at them.